Ever wondered what the most essential art supplies are when you're on a budget? As artists, we understand the importance of having the right tools to express our creativity. But sometimes the budget doesn't quite stretch to accommodate all our artistic aspirations. Fear not, for we're about to explore the 7 most essential art supplies that won't break the bank. These are the tried and tested tools that every budding artist needs in their arsenal. So, without further ado, dive into the world of affordable art supplies. Number 1 on our list is a sketchbook. Think of it as an artist's diary, a safe haven where ideas take shape and grow. It's where you jot down fleeting moments of inspiration or meticulously plan out your next masterpiece. Sketchbooks come in all forms and sizes, and yes, even prices. Whether it's a fancy hardcover or a modest spiral bound, it's not about how much it costs, but how well it fits your creative journey. Remember, the sketchbook is the artist's sanctuary, where creativity begins. Coming up next, at number 2, we have graphite pencils. Graphite pencils are the backbone of any artist's toolkit. They come in a wide range of hardness levels, allowing you to create everything from soft, subtle shades to bold, striking lines. Whether you're sketching out a new idea or adding final touches to your masterpiece, these pencils are indispensable. And the best part? You can find budget-friendly options without compromising on quality. So, keep a set of graphite pencils handy for those spontaneous sketching moments. Number 3, an artist's best friend, erasers. These humble tools are an absolute must-have in every artist's toolkit. They're not just for rectifying those little slip-ups, no. With a variety of types like kneaded gum or the classic pink pearl, erasers become a creative tool in their own right, helping to create textures, highlights, and so much more. And the cherry on top? They're incredibly affordable. So an eraser is not just for correcting mistakes, but also for creating effects. At number 4 and 5, we have paints and brushes. Now, these two are like the dynamic duo of the art world, aren't they? Akin to the rhythm and melody in music, paints and brushes work together to create the symphony of your artwork. There's a whole palette of paints out there, from acrylics to watercolors, oil to gouache. Each one has its unique charm and purpose. Acrylics, for instance, are versatile and easy to work with, making them a great choice for beginners. And let's not forget our silent heroes, the brushes. From broad strokes to intricate details, the magic lies in the bristles. There's a wide array of brushes available, each one serving a specific purpose. The fan brush, flat brush, round brush, it's like a little army at your disposal. But remember, art doesn't have to break the bank. There are plenty of budget-friendly options that don't compromise on quality. So go ahead, explore. Remember, with the right paint and brush, every stroke can tell a story. Finally, at number 6 and 7, we have the palette and canvas. The palette, my dear friends, is not just a slab for smearing paints. Oh no, it is the artist's battleground, the place where colors meet, mingle, and sometimes wage war. It's where the magic of mixing happens, creating hues that can't be bought in a tube. Plastic palettes are an affordable choice, and they're easy to wash too. Now let's talk about the canvas. Ah, the canvas. It's like the stage for our little color actors. It's where they perform, making us laugh, cry, think, and feel. Whether you're a Da Vinci in the making or just dabbling, you can't go wrong with a stretched canvas. They're affordable, come in various sizes, and are ready to use right out of the package. So a palette and canvas are the platforms where your creativity comes to life. Now that you know the 7 essential art supplies, it's time to get creative. Before I go, I'll leave you with a fun fact about art. Did you know that Leonardo da Vinci could write with one hand and draw with the other simultaneously? Neat, huh? Wish I could do that. All right, y'all, happy painting.